welcome to my channel. My name is Avita. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you have returned to hang out with me here on YouTube, I truly appreciate it. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my very first Ipsy GLAM Bag Plus unboxing. So if you're interested to see what I got in my Ipsy box, please keep watching. Here is my Ipsy box. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open it. We're going to see what I have, and then I will give you the information about Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus and all of that after we get through going through everything, because everybody might not want to hear all that. They may already be familiar, but for those of you who are not, then I can give you that information later on in the video. Okay, here we go. So here's my box. To you, from you, it says. Okay, let's see. In the inside, come on, in the inside it says here, discover yourself. And it has a card in here that says clean slate. Dream big, win big on the card. So we'll go through that later. I believe all the products, I'm not looking at it, I'm going to show it to you guys though. Almost dropped it. It'll show you all the products that are in the box. So, here we go. Okay, I'm going to sit the box down. Alright, so the first thing I have here is from BDB. And it is the Best Sellers Kit. It looks like it's for your brows. The $1 Billion Brows. That's what it says right up there. $1 Billion Brows. It has that. And it looks like you get four products in here. So that's the first thing in my box. Open it up. So there is a brow pencil here. That's pretty light brown. Probably a little too light for me. I use pretty darker colors for my brows. And it has a spoolie here on the end. So that's the first product in there. And then there is a brush for you to clean up your brows, and a brow gel, and this looks like this is so you can contour your brows, and it has two different colors on it. So it would have been cool to try that out, but this color is just too light for me, and I know that. So, okay, that's that. The next thing I see is from a brand called Sugar. And this is a waterproof micro liner called, it's called 01 I'll Be Back. That is that. So I'm not going to open it up, because I may put that into a giveaway. I have so many liners. But yeah, it's an eyeliner. So that's that. We have an eyeshadow palette from Wander Beauty. And it's called Rush. I think I just saw, I know her first name is Faye. I can't remember her last name, but I think I just saw her do a look with this palette, or a palette from this brand, just last night. Oh, I think this is it. I think this is it. Okay, I'm gonna cut that up. And it's Wanderous Rush. This is the palette. So I will swatch a few of these for you. I'm gonna do this one, which is called Hustle. Yeah, definitely. I definitely saw her do this one because she said something about that name. She said, "Do the hustle." It made her think of that song. And so it was playing in my head for like 30 minutes after that. So thank you, Faye, for the cool song. Okay, so we have Hustle. This is Hustle. This is Avenue. This is OTW. I don't know what that means. And this one in the middle, right here, is called Blitz. So that's those. Sorry if I didn't swatch that too well. But you can get an idea what they look like. They're pretty soft shadows. So that's cute. I see something that I'm happy to have. I actually placed an order for these because I saw one of my favorite ladies using this product. And it's this. This is the Duft and Doft Pink Milk Mask. There's something taped to that one. So this is, let me see if I can find the English on here. If it says anything. I don't really see any English except for the ingredient. Oh, there it is. It's just how to use. Doesn't really, it's a tone up and radiant mask. So I'm a sheet mask girl. I try to do at least 4 or 5 times a week. I like to do a sheet mask at night. So I'm happy to have these. I have like 4 of them on the way, so I'll be stocked up. I hope I end up liking them. So yeah. And there's a product in here from Fresh. It is Ripe Fresh Glisten Drops. An inner glow for the outer you. Apply directly to your skin or mix into your foundation or moisturizer. Easy, right? That's what that says. And this is what the product looks like. I don't have any products from Fresh. Just got a little dropper. You just press down. I'll give you a little drop. Have you nice and glowy. Pretty. Very pretty. Okay. That's cool. I don't mind that. And I think that's it, except for I get a little, oh, that's pretty. I'm trying to wipe my hands off because I don't want to make a mess out of it here. But it's a makeup bag. Marble print, and then this is kind of a silver pink bag, and it's pink on the inside. It does have a little thing so you can use it as a wristlet if you wanted to. A little bag, and it's pink on the inside. Well, that was quick and painless. Yeah, so I'll let you guys know about Ipsy and how I feel about the box in a minute. So Ipsy is a monthly subscription service. You can get, I'm just looking down at my notes. So they offer 3 different size boxes. They have the Ipsy bag, which is $12, and you receive 5 items. And they also have the Ipsy GLAM bag plus, which is what I got, and it can contain 5 or more items. And my box is $25 plus tax. I'm sorry, the Ipsy bag is, did I say it was $12? And that's plus tax. And then they also have a box of that is called the Ipsy GLAM bag Ultimate. And it is $50 plus tax. On their website, you can also shop. They post items every day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And they also offer mystery glam bags, and that's probably glam bags from previous months or just random items. And they also have some brands featured on their site that you can actually just go shop those brands, like Morphe, Tarte, Too Faced, and others. And you can save 10 to 30% off on those products on their website. And I think that pretty much covers everything I wanted to let you know about Ipsy. So what do I think about my first Ipsy box? It's okay. It's okay. I think the thing I'm most excited about actually are the sheet mask. Even though I have some of these coming, that's fine. But that's what I'm most excited about. And the little bag is very cute. That's a very cute bag. The eyeshadow palette, it's pretty cool. I mean, I think it's nice. I think it would be great for you to travel with. There's 4 shimmer shades, but they kind of look like they just have an overlay on them because I swatched them, and they don't have as much as the gold on it. So it is just an overlay over those 2 anyway. This one, I don't think there was an overlay over that one. And so, oh, I stuck my fingernail in it. As usual, I'm always doing that. Sorry, hold on a second. Anyway, and then you have 2 mattes. So you have 4 shimmer shades and two matte shades. So you can travel with that and do some looks with this palette. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm blinding you guys. I have to remember not to do that. I keep forgetting. There. So that's, that's a nice little travel palette. It's okay. I kind of wish I hadn't swatched it because I probably would have put that in a giveaway. But I've never tried this brand's eyeshadows before, so I will, try it out and see what I think about it. And this, the brow set, like I said, the color, it won't work for me. And the other thing with Ipsy, you can kind of personalize your box. Like they offer you a beauty quiz that you can do, and you can let them know your eye color, your hair color, what kind of level of makeup experience are you at, when you sign up. So they kind of try to customize what they'll send you in your box. And the eyeliner, and I just can't open up another eyeliner. I have so many open, and like I said, I'm just gonna give this one a giveaway. It is cruelty free, though. I will tell you that it's cruelty free. But it's okay. And I signed up for Ipsy. I had been watching a few unboxing, maybe the middle to last part of the year. And a lot of people were not happy with their Ipsy bag. Some of them were. And I said, well, maybe they will take heed to everybody's, disappointment and see if they improve for the new year for 2020. So I said, well, I will wait and I will, you know, subscribe and see what they do in the new year. And it's, you know, like I said, it's an okay box. And I'm gonna, you know, keep getting it for at least a couple months and see what they offer. And if it doesn't get better than this, I probably won't stay subscribed to it. The last thing is that this is okay too. The Glisten Drops from Fresh. I haven't tried anything from this brand, so that'll be nice to try this out and see what I think about that. And like I said, they do include the card. The card this month was Clean Slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you, habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. Well, I like that little message that they had there. And so, yeah, here it gives you all of the items, and the prices are on here. But during editing, you would have seen that I already put all the prices of the products there. So I won't try to read those to you here. And you can enter something to win. Here's what this is. So, well, I'm sorry. I apologize if I seem, you know, like low energy or, you know, not too excited. But I was curious about this box. I wasn't really excited about this box. I wanted to see what they were going to do. Like I said, I had heard not so good reviews on the box, but I wanted to see, you know, what it was like for myself and see what they would send to me. So if you guys are subscribed to Ipsy, let me know if you enjoyed what you got in your box this month. I will leave a link in the description if you know, are interested and think you would like to sign up for Ipsy. And with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap this one up. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. Forever Viva, you're pretty. Bye.